Regulation A is like the big daddy of securities exemptions, meaning you're allowed to raise up to $75 million from absolutely everyone, as long as they're 18 years old, accredited, non-accredited, doesn't matter. The cap is any one investor can invest up to 10% of their net worth. Now, you can accept an unlimited number of investors up to that capital cap. You are allowed to advertise and market online. General solicitation is permitted. You do have to go through a qualification process with the SEC. Generally, beginning to end, it is a 3 to 6 month process, 3 months at the absolute fastest. Generally, we're filing within about a month, but then the SEC has up to 27 days, basically a month, to respond with any comments or questions. After your attorney responds, the SEC, they have another month to respond. Once the SEC has no further comments, then there's still next a 20-day quiet period that you're not allowed to bring in investors. You're not allowed to advertise the offering because it hasn't been qualified yet. But as soon as you're qualified, you're able to start accepting absolutely everyone as an investor. The 3 situations that this is the most useful: number 1 is if you're taking that next step of opening up a $75 million REIT focused on real estate. Number 2 is you already have a business, and this is like IPO-lite. You can uplist to National Stock Exchange. It ultimately can save you money. And the third way, which is one of my favorite, is to approach it as a syndication platform, a series offering where we take the $75 million, break it up into smaller bite-sized bits. Each one of those classes invests into a single asset. Now, all of a sudden, like your syndication model that the investors are used to investing in a particular piece of dirt, now they can do this through the Regulation A offering. It becomes your syndication platform going forward, because now all of a sudden you don't have those Reg D restrictions on the type or number of investors. Now all of a sudden you can market everywhere and accept everyone.